Welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. This is a requested recipe. I've gotten so many messages on Instagram. You guys wanted me to make Hennessy wings some kind of way. I'm going to show you how I make this one. Come on, let's get started. Okay, now the requested recipe that you have been asking me for patiently now is finally here. Now let's first talk about our chicken wings. I have about 12 chicken wings here. I washed it, lemon juice and vinegar. I'm going to keep everything on there. That's how I want these wings to be. Soak it up in that lemon juice and vinegar liquid for about 15 to 20 minutes. Wash it off, rinse it really well, and your wings is ready to go. Let's talk about our main ingredients. Our main ingredients is our Hennessy, of course. I'm going to add some wine to it. You're going to need honey, browning. I'm using my Keith Lauren hot scotch bonnet pepper sauce. And I'm also going to use my Keith Lauren King Spice Collection jerk seasoning. It's the dry powdered mix. You could make your own jerk seasoning, as well as you could use this kind of jerk season mix. Whatever kind of jerk seasoning you want to use, go ahead and use it, it's fine. Now let's talk about our other ingredients that we're going to put on this chicken to make it really nice and turn up loud, real loud. I'm going to add some green seasoning to it, black pepper, garlic, Jamaican all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to also add some paprika to it and some onion powder. Of course you want to add some ginger. If you have powdered ginger, you use it. That is my grated ginger. I'm going to also use a little bit of lemon at the end of the dish. Some fresh thyme, dried thyme, whatever, powdered thyme, use that. And some hot pepper. Now, it depends on how spicy you want it. My husband wants it spicy, so that's why I'm going to add that pepper. Otherwise, I wouldn't have put it. Now, let's get started. Now we are moving on to our very first step. All-purpose seasoning, onion powder, paprika, garlic, black pepper, my Spice King Collection jerk seasoning mix, grated ginger, a few drops of my King Spice Collection hot scotch bonnet sauce, a little bit of browning, tablespoon of wine, tablespoon of Hennessy, and my green seasoning go on. Now with clean hands, you want to go ahead and mix this in. Now you want to let this sit for at least an hour so it could soak up that Hennessy and that wine we have put inside of it. Alright, so let it sit for a while, or you can do this overnight. It will taste even better. Now, you could add some salt to it if you like. I didn't put any salt in it because that jerk season mix has salt and onion powder and everything else. So, if you want to put salt, go ahead and do so. But that is what your chicken should look like at this step. Let's move on. Now, yeah, after you finish marinating your chicken for at least an hour, you want to get your baking tray ready. This is a cookie tray, and what I did, I put foil paper and cover it over, and then I put a baking rack inside of it because I want when the chicken juices are released, it goes right directly in there because I need that juice to finish up that chicken. This chicken wing is going to take a full hour to bake. Within half an hour, I'm going to come right back here and I'm going to show you what it looks like in half an hour. And then finish it up another half and it's going to be ready for the next step. So I'll see you back. 400 degrees, preheated oven only. Now that marinade from the chicken, you want to set that aside because you're going to use that to finish off the dish. Now it's been 30 minutes since I've been cooking that Hennessy chicken wing. Now the gravy that's in the bottom of the tray, you want to go ahead and save that gravy because you're also going to use that gravy to finish off your wings. So all I'm going to do here is turn them on the other side. And so now I'm going to put them back in the oven for another 30 minutes. Alright, now we're going to move on to making our glaze. I'm going to add some oil to that pot and some butter. Now in this container is your marinade liquid and then the natural juices from the chicken that you just made. You're going to go ahead and pour that in. You're going to add your pepper in. And some thyme. Just want to take that off. 3 tablespoons of wine. 3 tablespoons of Hennessy. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And 2 tablespoons of honey. And now you just want to make sure so you get this down simmered all the way down to where it becomes nice and thick. And when your gravy basically thickens up like that, it's time to move on to our next step. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know how you like it. Give it a thumbs up, share. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy!